Window cleaning, Skagit County.
You don't need to do windows because that is one of our specialties, along with pressure washing, gutter, and dryer vent cleaning. Roth Window and Pressure Washing can provide you with the best possible service. We are happy to speak with you regarding any of our services, so please call us today to discuss your needs. We do windows of all shapes and sizes, inside, outside, or both, on buildings up to 3 stories. We offer our expert window cleaning services on faces, skylights, deck glass, mirrors, tracks, screens, and new construction. A pressure wash improves curb appeal to your roof, concrete, siding, sidewalks, driveways, fences, rock walls, patios, decks, and anything on your property. Make everything look new again. Ask us to clean your boat, truck, RV, motorhome, or even a trailer. Call Roth Window and Pressure Washing today and let us do the cleaning.